Hello and welcome to another scrapbookpal.com video. Today we're going to be talking about the Zig two-way glue pen in the squeeze and roll dispenser. This glue has a clear barrel in the middle so you can see the glue inside and a ballpoint tip. You're going to squeeze this barrel to dispense the glue as you roll it along the surface of your paper. You can see the tip on this pen allows me to dispense small amounts of glue in lines, dots, and shapes. This glue comes out blue, and when you use it wet, it will create a permanent bond. If you let it dry, it will turn clear and it will be great for a temporary bond. Here I'm going to show you using this glue to adhere two very tiny die cut pieces together. I'm just squeezing the barrel and dotting on the glue where I want it to go. And this works beautifully for a very small, intricate die cut. Let's take a look at our beginning sample. The glue has started to dry and is now clear. This means we have a temporary adhesive. When I touch it, you can tell it's still tacky. That means we can use it to create things like masks. I have a die cut heart from printer paper that I'm applying the glue to. I'm going to set that aside and let it dry. Once about a minute and a half has passed, I'm going to stick that onto a piece of cardstock and I am able to sponge on some Distress Oxide ink. The mask does not move and peels off easily, leaving no gluey residue on the cardstock and still enough tack to this mask that I could use it again. Now on this scallop circle, I wanted some tiny little dots of glitter on each scallop, and this glue was the perfect tool to get that result. I just squeezed the barrel, tapped on a dot of glue on each scallop, and applied the glitter. So this is the Squeeze and Roll Zig two-way glue pen. I know you will love it for all your intricate die cuts. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.